tayo sa Image Dental Clinic. I shall finish my task. That's the attendant. That's Yuko-san. Matapos ito, diretso ako ng Andobashi. Kasi pupunta kami ng gym. Lapitan natin ang tinatawag na tayo, Luisan. Hi, Yuko-san. Hi. Ha? Hi.
Hi. Hi, thank you. Your next appointment is the patient. Next.
Do I still need
Your teeth treatment. Next is the patient. Then
would that be the last appointment?
his appointment.
That's the last appointment.
Then teeth.
This will be treated. How much would be the cost of the treatment? They would be,
1340.
but,
ジャパニーズ円。
okay. But the next treatment is around that much. How much?
大体 about
This.
yeah.
Hi.
Next teeth
Is,
come here. Good.
okay. So,
5 o'clock 30.
5:30.
Yes.
What time? What day?
11.
Friday.
Friday.
Okay.
Okay. Today, 1340円。
ちょっと待ってください。はい。
1500円はお願いしますね。160円。ネクスト。Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat.
Hi.
ありがとう。Maraming salamat.
Hi. See you next Friday.
See you next.
Bye. Say bye to the camera. Bye.